Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. We got a big party going on the weekend, a big picnic. So we need 6 to 8 tri-tip. So what I want to say, never be afraid to buy the big Cryovac from Costco. This is actually from Smart and Final. So you can see we got beef tri-tip, $7.09 a pound, almost 21 pounds of tri-tip that we're going to go ahead and get cleaned up here. So let me flip this over. I already got it open. So I got the first one out. That thing is huge. So these come untrimmed. So you just got to get in here with a knife and take off some of this fat. Don't be afraid of it. I'm going to get some of the silver skin off. So you just want to go through this whole thing and just clean it up. Let's get some of this bad boy off of here. And each one of these is going to be different. Some of them go real quick. Some of them take a little bit of time. But you're just going through and just cleaning it up. You know, how much fat you want to leave on is up to you. I definitely want to get all this silver skin off. So as you can see, there's a bunch right here. You just want to get your knife under it, and your knife will follow it. A little piece over here that we want to get off. A little piece here. And it comes right off. Just get your tip of your knife through there. I don't know if you can see the silver skin right here underneath this fat, so you can just slip under. Hopefully. And then just let the knife follow it. You can lift it up, tilt the knife up a little bit. Like I said, we're just going to clean it up to get it barbecue ready, seasoned ready. And there's no rush. You just take your time. Just keep taking that silver skin off. You definitely don't want to be chewing on that. Check that out. See a little bit right here I went off. All right. What do you think? That side looks pretty good. Let's try this other side. A little bit more on here. Roll that around a little. There we go. There we go. A little bit more of this off. You can discard this fat. Some of this fat you could keep if you wanted to make your own hamburger, you know, depending on what you're trimming, but you might be trimming I like to buy Terrace Major, which you get some little pieces that we like to grind. A piece of filet, or sometimes you want to add a little bit of fat into that meat. And what I do is any of this that looks good, looks decent, I would put in a baggie and just put in the freezer. And I'll say I'm not a butcher. I did manage a grocery store for 25 years, spent a little bit of time helping out in the meat department, but I'm just a guy that likes to cook. All right, so I'm going to try to get some of this silver skin off. There we go. And this, you can just pull it and then run the knife along there. And the meat we're losing is very minimal. All right. That one's pretty much cleaned up the way I want it. I'm not going to bore you guys and trim everything that's in here, but let's see how many we got. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, I got 5 super big tri-tips. So I'm going to clean all these guys up, and then we'll come back in a bit and we'll talk about it a little bit more. This fat and the trim, I'm just going to set in there. I got these all trimmed up, ready to go. I'm going to get ready to season them, but first I just wanted to talk about when I bought the package for $140 for these 5 big tri-tips. One single tri-tip that day at Mart was $14.99 a pound, 3.46 pounds. Total price was $51.87 for one. Whenever I'm having a thing, sometimes I cook lunch for my employees at work because I still work. I might buy a bag of these and take all 5 and just cook them for lunch there. But let's get these seasoned. I'm just going to use some Meat Church Blanco. I'm just going right on the meat. Do the fat side first. Okay, looks like I love this stuff. I gotta go open another jar. All right, I got another jar. Blanco Meat Church. Matt's a great guy. He's not paying me to use this. He doesn't give me a discount. I just love this stuff. This bottle just came yesterday. There we go. There we go. Now we'll do the other side. Get this side. All right, so this is going to be part 1. I'll probably do another video of me cooking them, and I'll probably take some video at the park. Appreciate you guys watching. Okay, love you. Bye.